to change country and location on Roblox account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your country and your location in your Roblox account. So first of all, just go to the Roblox official website, and here just simply log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up for a new one for yourself while entering your details like your date of birth, username, password and your gender, and click on sign up, and your account will be created. And if you already have an account, just simply click on login and enter your details and click on login. And once you are logged in into your Roblox account, and after that just click on the settings icon from the top right and go to settings. And in the settings page, when you will scroll down, under the personal section you will see the option called gender, account location, language and theme. So in order to change your location, you need to click on the account location. So just click on this, and here you will see a lot of different countries and options available. So for example, you want to change into any of the country of your preference, so you just simply have to click on it. But you have to remember one thing. For example, you want to change into a new country. For example, I'm clicking on this, and now you have to read this. It says that you can change your location only once, and your location determines what is allowed on your account, including the currency used for gift card and purchases. And if you're not sure why you need to make this change, do not continue. Basically, it means that in order to change your country and your location in your Roblox account, you need to be residing on the place where you are currently living. And if you're not living on the place where you want to change your location to, you won't be able to change this, because this process can be done only once. And if you change the location to a different location where you're not currently residing, you might not be able to access to gift card and any purchases in your Roblox account. So be very mindful while changing your country and your location in your Roblox account. If you're sure that you are changing the location where you're currently residing, and you have your identity card and the currency in which you can want to make the exchange in your Roblox account, then just click on set location and change the country and location to that particular location. And this way you will be able to change your country and your location in your Roblox account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.